Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our yesterday's class we have started measurements chapter and we have learned meter, kilometer, like that. That means we have learned three types of measurements. Like to measure the distance we will use kilometer, meter, millimeter, centimeter. To measure the weight we will use grams and kilograms. To measure the capacity we will use liters and milliliters. We have learned. Based on that we have completed exercise 6.1. Today we are going to learn about 6.2. In 6.2 we have about conversions. Convert are there. Convert means conversion of measurements from higher to lower. Conversion. అంటే ఒక దాంట్లో నుండి ఇంకో దాంట్లోకి మార్చడం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీటర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ అంటే మీటర్ ని సెంటీమీటర్లకు ఎలా మార్చాలి, grams to kilograms, like that. So we have bitwise is there. We'll learn bitwise and we'll learn completely like that only. So exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, first part is about convert into grams. Convert into grams. Convert into grams. Now they have in kilograms, so we have to convert that kilograms into grams. To convert the kilograms into grams, first of all grams and kilograms weight use chestam nana బరువులను కొలవడానికి grams ని kilograms ని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. Here kilogram is a smaller quantity, kilogram is a greater quantity. Here they are asking to convert into grams. That greater quantity ని smaller quantity లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. అదే కదా, gram is a smaller quantity, kilogram is a greater quantity. So to convert grams into kilograms, then you have to say that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So what we have to do? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So how many 13 kgs are there? So 13 into 1000, by multiplying 13 into 1000 we will get 13,000. So like that we have to convert. So now see here, gram is a smaller quantity, kilogram is a greater quantity. ఈ స్మాలర్ క్వాంటిటీని గ్రేటర్ క్వాంటిటీలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? వీ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. నౌ వీ ఆర్ multiplying, we are converting smaller quantity to greater quantity to smaller quantity. పెద్ద ఉన్న క్వాంటిటీని చిన్న ఉన్న క్వాంటిటీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. When you are converting kilograms to grams, you have to multiply. When you are converting grams to kilograms, you have to divide. You have to learn that. Just now you are learning conversion of measurements from higher to lower. Here it is a smaller quantity, it is a greater quantity. When you are converting from greater to smaller, you have to multiply. So based on that, you have to remember this and you have to complete this problem. So before going to learn about grams and kilograms, you have to remember that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. If I ask to convert 3 kgs, 3 kgs is equal to 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000 it will get 3000 grams. Like this you have to convert. Okay. When you are converting smaller quantity to greater quantity, when you are converting greater quantity to smaller quantity, higher quantity to smaller quantity, you have to multiply. So in exercise 6.2, first question is 13 grams. So 13 kilograms. Now they are asking to convert 13 kilograms into grams. పెద్ద క్వాంటిటీని చిన్న క్వాంటిటీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా. వాట్ వి హావ్ టు డూ? వి హావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై. సో హౌ టు మల్టిప్లై? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Then what you have to say? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 13 kgs is equal to 13 into 1000. 13 into 1000, 13,000. 13 ones are 13, 3 zeros are there. You have to write 3 zeros. So it is 13,000 grams. Simple. Okay? Like this you have to convert. Second question, 7 kg, say 35 grams. Second question, 7 kg, 35 grams. Okay? The term which are in grams. Grams lo na quantity change చేద్దాం ఎందుకంటే they are asking to convert into grams. Grams లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయమన్నారు. Already it is in grams, so no need to convert. Only we have to convert kilograms into grams and we have to add these two. So how to convert? Same like this only. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 7 kgs is equal to 7 into 1000, that is 7000 grams. Now it is 7000 grams plus 35 grams. 7000 grams plus 35 grams. By adding these 2 grams, then we will get 7035 grams. Okay? Like this you have to convert. Okay? Remaining all problems are like this only. Remaining third, fourth, fifth. Remaining 3 problems are same like second one only. You have to complete that. First bit has completed. Then second bit, convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Baby. Convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Now here we have meters and centimeters. Here meter is a greater quantity, centimeter is a smaller quantity. So when you are converting greater to small, big to small convert chesinapudu em cheyalana? Multiply cheyali. Here also we have to multiply. So to multiply like that, what you have to say? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then if it is 2 meters, 200, 4 meters, 400, 5 meters, 500, 15 meters, 1500 centimeters, like that. So based on that we have to convert. So first question is 2 meters 48 centimeters. First question is 2 meters 48 centimeters. So how to convert? If 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, then what about 2 meters? 2 meters is equal to 2 into 100. 2 into 100 it will give 200 centimeters. Here it is 200 centimeters and it 48 centimeters. By adding that two, we will get total answer. 200 centimeters plus 48 centimeters. Both are in centimeters only. So that's why you have to add. 200 plus 48, it gives 248 centimeters. They asked to convert into centimeters. So we have converted the answer into centimeters. When we are converting greater quantity to smaller quantity, పెద్ద నుండి చిన్న కన్వర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలన్నా మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో we have to multiply here. Second question 56 meters. Second one 56 meters. Now we have to convert this 56 into meters. So you have to write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then what about 56 centimeters? 56 meters, that is 56 into 100. 56 meters is equal to 56 into 100. 56 into 100. 56 ones are 56. Here 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros as it is. 5600 centimeters. Like this you have to write. Okay. In the second bit also we have 5 problems are there. I have explained 2. Remaining 3 problems are your homework. Same like third one, fourth one, fifth one. Same like first one only. Same like this only you have to convert. Okay. 2 bits has completed. Now 3 bit. Convert into millimeters. Now we have to convert centimeters into millimeters. To convert centimeters into millimeters, now we have to say that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. What you have to say? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then if 2 centimeters is equal to 20 millimeters, like that you have to multiply with 10. With 3, 34, 45, 50, 10 and 100. Like that you have to complete. So based on this you have to complete. First question is, what is the first question? 5 centimeters. Now we have to convert this 5 centimeters into millimeters. If 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, just now we have learned, no? When you are converting greater quantity to smaller quantity, we have to multiply. Greater quantity ni smaller quantity loki multiply chesinapudu em cheyalana multiply cheyali. So here we have to ikkada multiply cheyali. Centimeter nunni millimeter convert chestunnam kabatti multiply cheyali. So 5 centimeters is equal to 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50 millimeters. Okay. Then second question 13 centimeters 7 millimeters. Second question 13 centimeters 7 millimeters. Already they asked to convert in millimeters, so keep that millimeters as it is. Just convert the centimeters into millimeters. How? Like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Solution: 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Based on this, we have to convert 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters is equal to 13 into 10. 13 tens are 130. 130 millimeters. Now add these 2 millimeters. It is 130 millimeters and it is 7 millimeters. 130 plus 7, 137 millimeters. 130 millimeters plus 7 millimeters. Total 137 millimeters. Like this we have to convert. Okay children? In third bit we have 4 problems are there. Third one same like first one. Fourth one same like second one. Okay? We have to complete. Next, convert into liters. Convert into liters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay? Based on that we have to convert dB. Convert into liters. First one 36 kiloliters. 36 kiloliters. To convert 36 kiloliters into liters, what we have to do? Here you have to say 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. First question. First you have to remember this. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Greater quantity in smaller quantity multiply convert this multiplication. So here also we have to go for multiplication. So first question is 36 kiloliters. 36 kiloliters. To convert 36 kiloliters into liters, what we have to do? 36 kiloliters is equal to 36 into 1000. 36 into 1000 will becomes 36 1 are 36. 3 0 60. That is 36,000 liters. Understand? Then second question, 9 kiloliters, 49 liters. 9 kiloliters, 49 liters. Now they are asked to convert into liters. So the term which is in liters we have to keep as it is. Just you have to convert these kiloliters into liters. To convert kiloliters into liters, what we have to do? We have to multiply the 9 with 1000. That is, why we have to multiply with 1000? Because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. So 9 kiloliters is equal to 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000 gives 9000 liters. Now it is 9000 liters plus 49 liters. 9000 liters plus 49 liters. 9000 ki 49 add chese emostundana 9049. 9000 plus 49. 0 plus 9 9. 0 plus 4 4. 0 as it is 9 as it is. It will becomes total 9000 plus 49 is 9049 liters. Okay. In debate we have 2 problems are there. Remaining 4 problems are there. I have explained first and second. Third and fourth same like second only you have to complete. Okay children. Next we have EBIT. Convert the following as directed. Convert the following as directed. EBIT. Convert the following as directed. Convert the following as directed. EBIT. 3895 grams into kilograms and grams. 3895 grams into grams and kilograms into kilograms and grams. Now these are in grams. We have to convert these grams into kilograms and remaining grams we have to write as this. When you are converting grams into kilograms, then you have to divide. Why you have to divide? Because in our previous bits, we have to, when we are converting greater to smaller, we have to multiply. At the same time, we have to, when we are converting to small to big, then we have to divide. So how to divide? Like this. If 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, Now we have to convert this 3895 grams into kilograms. To convert 3895 grams into kilograms, what we have to do? We have to divide with this. So that is like this. 1 kg is equal to 1/1000 grams. Divide cheyalagadu. So 1 kg is equal to, now we have to convert 3895 grams. That is 3895 grams by 1000 grams. So when you divide like this, that number which is in first, that is kilograms, and remaining all are grams. The number which is first in, that is kilograms, remaining all are grams. Otherwise write directly like this. 1 kg is equal to like this. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. That means here how many kgs are there? 3 1s, 10s, 100,000. That means 3000 kgs are there. That means that is 3000 grams. So simply have to write like this. Write 3 kgs, 1 kg, 1000, 3 kgs, 3000. So 3 kgs, 3 has completed. Remaining 895 left. So 895 grams you have to say directly. ఇప్పుడు 1 kg కాబట్టి 1000 grams. 3 kg ఏమవుతుందన్నా 3000 grams. 3000 grams plus 895 grams ఏమవుతుంది? 3895 grams. డైరెక్ట్ గా అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ 6432. 6432 milliliters into liters and milliliters. Here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now here how many liters are there? 6 liters are there. So we have to say directly 6 liters 432 milliliters. 1 liter ki 1000. So 6 liters and 6000 hai kada. So it is 6000 liters 432 milliliters. You have to write directly. 6 liters 432 milliliters. Then third question, 586 millimeters into centimeters. So you have to say directly, that is third one 586 millimeters into centimeters and millimeters. Centimeters and millimeters. Already we have learned 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So based on that, 5 millimeters is equal to 50 centimeters. It is 50 centimeters and 86 millimeters. So what you have to say? 1 millimeter is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So based on this we have to convert. To convert like this, what we have to say? That is 5 meters, 5 meters and centimeters. So 5 centimeters, 86, 58 centimeters. Here you have to say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, no? So that's why ఇప్పుడు 58 అంటే ఏముంటుందన్నా 50 అంటే 58 centimeters అంటే 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 5 centimeters అంటే 5 centimeters అంటే 50 millimeters కదా. So you have to say that it is 58 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So you have to say that. Next fourth one, 78,143 meters into kilometers and meters. If 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, then 78 kilometers is equal to 78,000 meters. Here you have to say directly, that is 78 kilometers 143 meters. So remaining 2 problems are there. That 2 problems you have to complete. Up to here exercise has completed. So in the next class we will learn about addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. How to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on మెజర్మెంట్స్. ఈ మెజర్మెంట్స్కి అడిషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్ ఎలా చేయాలో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూసుకున్నాం. సో కంప్లీట్ యువర్ హోంవర్క్ అప్ టు హియర్. Then in the next class we will go for exercise 6.3. Okay children.